Hello, I'm Rob.
And I'm Matt. We are here from Healthe to share the unboxing and setup of our Healthe solutions.
Our mission at Healthy Lighting is to provide a safer, more productive, and healthier environment for all. This is a demo of how to install and use your Healthe Air, which uses UV to sanitize the air you breathe. The Healthe Air is able to be installed in any standard grid ceiling. Once the Healthe Air is unboxed, you will need to remove the cover plate on the side of the fixture to access the wiring compartment. Extend the black, white, and green wires and inspect to ensure that they are properly stripped. There are two additional wires, one gray and one purple, that are capped in the wiring compartment as well. These would be used if you are connecting the Healthe Air to a 0 to 10 volt control device or system. This controls the visible light only and does not affect the fan operation or the integral sensor operation of the Healthe Air. If these are not to be used, tuck back into the wiring compartment. To access the troffer from below, use a hex head tool to loosen the captive screws in the door. Once the door is open, the safety switch will be released and the unit will turn off automatically. Once doors are open, you will be able to examine and replace the HEPA filter when necessary as part of regular maintenance of the unit. Be sure that you have disconnected power to the circuit that you are working on before you go any further. Install the Healthe Air into the grid ceiling. Remove the ceiling towel next to the troffer so you can access the wiring compartment. Install wiring through the cover plate, making wiring connections to the fixture. Once connection is completed, install the cover plate to complete the wiring process. Replace the tile next to the Healthe Air. Energize the circuit and check operation for visible light and to ensure that the fan is running. The fan speed and sensor are all preset, so there is no need for settings or control of these devices. Your Healthe Air is ready for use. Now you have a Healthe Air to sanitize the air you breathe in any indoor space.